Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your slow device if you're using an iPhone or an Android. These few steps should help you out. So step number one is restarting your phone. I know it sounds simple, but it works. It clears temporal cache and shuts down background applications and background tasks. So how you do this is just by turning off your phone and then turning it on back again. That is shutting down your phone and then turning it on back again. That should help. And then secondly, which is step number 2, clear up any app cache and junk files. That is files just sitting in your phone, you're not making use of it, it's just like trash. So make sure you clear them. So go to your settings on your Android, go to settings, then head to storage, and then head to cached data. Then look for junk cleaner or junk files and then clean them up. Or you could use free apps. There are free apps that can help with this. You can search for them, something like C Cleaner or Nox Cleaner. Now on an iPhone, go to settings, then search for Safari, and then you should see an option or something that looks like clear history and website data. So just click on it and then clear history and website data. Also, you can offload unused apps. That also helps. Go to settings on your iPhone only, go to settings, head to general, and then iPhone storage, and then tap on the app that you want to clear or offload, and then you should see the offload button right there, and then tap on it. So the third step here is to delete unused apps and files. Any app you find unuseful on your phone or you no longer need, it is advised that you delete it, because your phone needs about 2 to 3 gig of free space to run data and run at an average speed. So delete unused apps and files so that your phone can run smoothly. Step 4 is disabling background app refresh. So background app refresh is like making every single app work in the background, even if you're not working on the app currently. As far as background app refresh is on, it makes the app work in the background. So how you turn it off? On your Android, go to settings, then tap on the app that you want to. Either you search for the app or look for apps section in the settings and then tap on the app that you want to turn off the background activity. Look for background activity and then disable it. Then on your iPhone, head to settings, then head to general, and then you should see background app refresh there. Tap on it and then turn it off or set it to Wi-Fi only. That should help. So the 5th step here is reducing animations and visual effects. So to reduce this or turn it off on iPhone, head to settings, accessibility, then motion, and then you should see reduce motion. Normally it's always off, so toggle it on. And then on an Android, head to developer options. If you've not enabled the developer options, you can look for the build number and then tap the build number 7 times in the system or about of your phone. You should see build number there. Tap it 7 times and then you should enable a developer options. And then in developer options, you should look for window animation scale or animation scale, and then set it to 0.5x or turn it off. Then what you want to do next, which is like the 6th step on this list, is updating software and updating apps. So older versions of software may lag. That is, older versions of older software versions of your phone or older versions of applications may lag due to bugs. So what you want to do is update to the latest version that is supported by your device, either for the application or for your device software. The last step, which is like the 7th step, is to factory reset your phone. And I would advise you do this step only if all the other steps didn't work for you, all the other procedures didn't work for you. If you've tried everything I mentioned from the beginning of this video and none of them worked out for you, only then should you factory reset your phone. And before resetting your phone, you should back up all of your data before you fully reset your phone. To back up your data and reset your phone, on an iPhone, head to settings, head to general, scroll to the bottom, and you should find transfer or reset iPhone, and then erase all content. On an Android, head to settings, head to system, reset, and then erase all data. Bonus tips that could help you: using light versions of apps like Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, TikTok Lite. Light versions of apps help your phone run faster. And also turn off live wallpapers. Turn off live wallpapers or widgets that you don't use. It is not necessary. It doesn't really help your CPU when your phone is lagging. Use dark mode all the time because it saves your battery and also adds more performance on your device when you're using an OLED screen. That's all for this video, and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section. If it worked for you, let us know in the comment section. If your phone is still lagging and you've tried all of this, then still let us know in the comment section, and if there's another way, I will let you know how to fix it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.